Welcome back to Makwala Agri. This is your favorite YouTube channel, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. So since this festive season, I'm out of business because of the avian flu, which affected me. I decided to show you guys what I'm doing on my free time. So join my day today as I show you how I'm living my life. So today I decided to go to market at PLK, which it says market at Polowani. I was with my first subscriber. So this lady is my first subscriber. She's been into my life since I started my YouTube channel. She's been part of it from day one. Yeah, so she's the mother of my baby girl. There she is. She's hot, ne? So here was passing Mall of the North. It's the biggest mall in Limpopo, in Polokwane. So there's some nice houses, guys. Hey, people are living. I was getting inspired nyana here. So before the Polokwane market, we decided to go to Zororo Lodge. They said they have a food market as well. But when we got there, it was like a ghost town. There was no one here. That's, you know what, let's share U-turn and go to the place that we decided to go at the first place. And I was busy answering calls from my customers that are looking for chickens. Guys, you know the pain of rejecting customers. But I'm losing money here. Busy counting the dollars. But anyway, such short left. Then we went to Polokwane market. So let's go and see how the market it was. Then we finally arrived at the market. This is some place outside Polowani where they're hosting this market. It's called Market at PLK. You can check them on the socials. They're also there. Yeah, no. Hey, Pella was the only one who's driving an old school. People are driving nice cars out here. Marwanzeva, Pulayana 14 Matali, 1400. So this is how the place looks like. Now we're inside the market. It's a very good environment, guys. You can come with your family. You know, if you have kids, you come with your kids. They also have some pool. Actually, I didn't go by the pool, but they do have pool where your kids can actually go and swim. And, you know, it's a nice environment, guys. Hey, apparently I don't drink alcohol. So I was having some cocktails, what. I don't know what it is, but with no alcohol. So, yeah, this is the place, guys. It really looks good. I'm actually planning to have my own place where I'm going to be hosting this kind of markets. I'm busy actually developing the place now, busy developing the land. So, but what I bought to eat, it was a pap and steak. Unfortunately, I didn't take content when I was eating. You know, when you are hungry, you forget about content. But yeah, it was a nice place to be. Then after we went to this other place, I forgot the name of this place, guys. But this is where the Indians actually get together. Yo, there were a lot of Indian guys here and chilling. Their kids were busy playing tennis. Yeah, it's a very nice place in Polokwane. You check it out on your way to Meropa from Polokwane city. You pass this place. It's a very nice one. So then after that, we went to the place where they sell chickens. Since I'm out of stock, I decided to look for fully grown chickens. So this is one of the places that I used to buy early in the time of my business when I was starting up. I used to come here and buy fully grown chicken and sell them. I was a reseller back then. But yeah, actually, hey, they increased their prices. So when I got there, they normally sell the chicken for 60 rand. But at the beginning, when I was starting my business, they were selling it for 50 rand. So, but now the price went up. I think they said it went up because of the high demand of chickens. So they're now selling from 31 chicken is 70 rand. So that's the lowest price that you can get from them. So you can buy each chicken for 70 rand. I don't know how much you guys gonna sell it, but if you are in Polokwane, you're looking for a place where you wanna buy full grown chickens and you wanna become a reseller, this is one of the places. It's along the N1, just outside Polokwane. As soon as you pass Mikete Lodge, the Juju Lodge, you going towards Lostrichat, you will see this place on your left hand side, and there's another one on your right hand side, and then yeah, there's another one again just after Solomon Dean Cross. There's another one there that's called C2C. They also sell chickens. Yeah, these are some of the places that you can actually go and stock up and buy and become a reseller. So since this festive season I'm gonna be being a reseller, this is one of the places maybe I'll consider to buy chickens from. But otherwise, guys, that was my day. Actually, that's where my day ended up. I didn't buy any chickens here. I was just coming to check. Don't go.